How to remove songs from Spotify playlist on mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to do so. So let's get started with the video directly. We can open up the Spotify application for that on our phone and log in if we have not logged in yet. After that, we can directly look out for the option called Your Library in the bottom of the dashboard of Spotify and access it up. And this is where we'll be finding all of our playlists. So from here, we can select the playlist from which we want to remove the song. For example, let's say I would like to remove from this one right here. You can open it up. And all you gotta do is basically tap on the three dots next to the song that you would like to remove. For example, this. Tap on it and menu pops up. Now, if you want to remove it, you can easily find an option called remove from playlist. You can select that option and confirm it up, and the song will be instantly removed from your playlist. You can repeat this same process for multiple songs quickly from the playlist available, and that's it. That is how you basically do it. You can follow the same process for other playlists available as well and remove it. And that is it, everybody. That's how we remove it. So if this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.